Hi, this is Paul from Music Villa in Bozeman, Montana, also home of Gibson acoustic guitars in Bozeman, Montana. And today we're looking at the Hummingbird vintage model. So these are a little bit of a kind of a relic guitar. They have the classic cherry sunburst finish, but the tops, and you can see the finish is kind of that oil satin finish. It also has what's called a thermally aged Sitka spruce top. This one happens to be a beautiful top. Okay, so what they do is they take this top as kind of a heating process that they take it through. I know a lot of manufacturers are doing it now. It's not on every guitar, but just select models. It kind of makes it sound like it's a little bit older, and this one sounds amazing. It's a mahogany back and sides, rosewood fingerboard, double parallelograms, relic tuners, classic 60s dreadnought, awesome Gibson sound. So thanks for watching.
All right, real quick before we strum this one, I just want to say I'm really excited about this model, Hummingbird Vintage. It's about as close as I've seen to a real vintage Hummingbird, and a lot of great cuts were done on this guitar through the years. A lot of wonderful artists played this guitar. Really cool to have these. So let's give it a strum.
Thank you for watching. That is the Gibson Hummingbird vintage model. Interested in any of these guitars, please give us a call.